adventure. These trains travel from city to city and even from country to country.
Let's go! Choo-choo! Let's go! Europe train! InterCity Express!
Look at this train. This is an intercity train. It goes very fast. It travels between big cities in Europe.
Zoom, zoom! Nightjet! Wow! This train travels at night.
This is the Nightjet train. People can sleep inside.
Good night, train!
Caledonian sleeper.
It travels in UK.
The train goes through green hills and quiet places.
Sleepy train. Choo-choo! Railjet.
Here comes the Railjet. It is red and fast. Railjet travels between countries in Europe.
So cool! Thalys. Wow, this is a Thalys train.
It travels between France, Belgium and more countries. Fast train, big adventure.
Asia, India. Rajdhani, Shatabdi, Duronto.
Look friends, these are Indian express trains. They travel very far and very fast.
Asia, China, Series Dizzy. This train looks so smooth.
These are Chinese long-distance trains. They travel across big cities.
Trans-Siberian Express.
This train travels a very long way. This is the Trans-Siberian Express. It goes through snow and forests.
Coal train. America's USA. Amtrak train.
Hello Amtrak. These trains travel across America through cities, mountains and rivers.
Argentina. Nubes.
This train is in the clouds. This is Nubes. It rides high in the mountains. Amazing train.
Wow. We saw so many fast trains today. Which train did you like the most? Like, share and subscribe.